Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and thank you so much for subscribing this year, liking, sharing, and everything that we have seen and been through. I am really grateful. So happy new year. I hope 2021 is a year that is going to be full of growth and everything that we have hoped for and much better. So in today's video, we are going to be making the famous DAWA tea. This is a home remedy for flu, cough, and colds. And all you need is garlic, ginger. You can use this ginger root, a few cloves of garlic if you want them. Then we have some lemon and then some honey, of course. So if you don't have the other ones, you can just use ginger powder, just like this one, and garlic powder. And maybe you need water, just so you know, you need some water on the side, and then fire, of course. So we're just going to squeeze in some lemon. Sometimes they don't really mix well if you just drop them. So we squeeze in some lemon and then put this water on fire until it boils. So just in case you don't have the powdered form of garlic and ginger, you just have to pound this one in a small mortar until they are mixed up together before you just add in the water, because this helps or eases the mixing process of everything. Like when you put the water, it really mixes up quickly. So just like this, we are done. Just put it in a cup, your mixing cup, and then put in your lemon water. This DAWA tea is usually it's best served hot. Like if you can have it while it's still hot, the better. So we're just going to remove this top thing on our water, our lemon water, and then put it directly into the other cup that has the ginger and garlic mixture. So once that is done, we just set it aside and let it mix up a little bit for like a minute before we sieve it into a glass and serve. So on the other side of the glass, you can just use ginger powder and garlic powder, just like that. Put it in the glass because it's already fine, and then sieve the water because it has seeds, it has the lemon remains. So you just sieve it and then put it in the glass that you're going to be drinking from. This is super effective, by the way. DAWA tea is like one of those things that is selling right now because of COVID. People believe that it really helps on relieving the signs and symptoms of COVID, and I also can tell sometimes when you have flu and cough, this is the thing without doing the medicine. So just like that, you have your DAWA tea, homemade, really cheap, okay, affordable. And yeah, I think these are things you can always have at home. So I hope you can make some DAWA tea this new year and beat some flu without first going to the pharmacy. So thank you so much guys for watching up until this time. I hope this new year is a good one, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.